In this video I will tell you how to download any apps on Android phones. Okay, first you go Play Store, find your Play Store. This is the interface Play Store. Your mobile's Play Store apps, this is here. If you not open Play Store, need to a Gmail ID, login and password, and this is the interface showing. Okay, what's need apps download? So this is here, you can see open Play Store and log in email id, a new email id, create Google accounts. Okay, search bar, type any names and official, select apps, uninstall and install automatically, click okay. So showing here search bar, this is option. Okay, any types, type games and download apps, but option this is here, like games, all games and apps. If you download, so app section, click and upper option, this is for you and top chart and other and children category. This is I choose the children. Okay, children apps, top children apps, new updated apps. This is here, arrow button is click, you can download and install button. This is install apps, few minute wait and extra is MB 144 MB apps, 100% download. Okay, this is a simple way and you can play here. Okay, you can see this is app. Okay, what I want, uninstall, continue, press long time and this is pop up, open and uninstall, click and remind, go to Play Store. And if you want download books, the book section, so here books, any download, paid and unpaid. Okay, this is books section, selling, top selling, new release, free, this is here in free download. Okay, new releases, this is here, books, new release, apps, already tell you apps, this is here, or search bar, any type app download, like type here motorcycle game. Okay, so motorcycle game I want download, this is any choose, rating, you can see rating 50 million downloading, rating this is 4.5, rating 3.6, 10 million downloading. So I want download, this is okay, download, install, few second wait, 124 MB, install process is completed. Okay, back, this back and you can see motorcycle game. Okay, click and motorcycle game, open. So this is simple way